Hi, I'm Michael Boyes, CEO of SimpleTech Solutions. Our clients and friends often ask if they should buy Apple or Microsoft-based computers and Apple or Android mobile devices. Not many people are asking about Microsoft on mobile devices, but I thought I'd take a couple of minutes to let you know what we recommend as well as what I use to stay productive every day. Now, the answer for mobile devices is really straightforward. We recommend either Apple or Android. Do not buy a BlackBerry, and if you must, a Windows Phone or Surface tablet will work. But I would recommend waiting for Microsoft's new operating system before buying the Surface. We're actually going to bypass Windows 8 completely, just like we did Windows Vista. And the only reason I can see to have a Surface is if you need Publisher on the laptop. We typically recommend using the same phone and tablet operating system simply because of the availability of the same apps. This is less of an issue than it was a couple of years ago, so it doesn't really make that much difference anymore. Now, iPads are more expensive than many Android tablets, but iPad is still at the top of our list. And when it comes to computers, Macs are great machines, but you pay for that greatness. Most of our business clients are going to stick with Microsoft because we can get a Windows computer with similar processing power for literally half the price of a compatible Mac. It's also easier to find network support for Microsoft, but of course we are certified to support Apple too. That pricing is also true with laptops. You can find Windows laptops with similar processing power for half the price. However, if you're looking at a Windows Ultrabook, I would definitely compare it to the Apple MacBook Air. You can either run it as a Mac or use Boot Camp to run it as a Windows computer, or you can use Parallels to run in a Windows environment. I personally use an 11-inch MacBook Air in lieu of a tablet, and I use the hotspot on my phone for internet access. It's light, it's compact, tough, and has a great battery life. It's going to run about $1,400 for the 11 or 13-inch with a copy of Microsoft Office for Mac on it. In the office, I use an older Dell computer with a quad processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and two 27-inch monitors. I actually love that setup, and the computer works great for everything I do, even with a ton of windows open. Since we moved to QuickBooks Online for our accounting, literally everything I do is now in the cloud. I have an old Dropbox account I share with my family, but for the business we use the terabyte of storage available through Google Drive. Feel free to call or text me at the number on the screen if you have any questions or would like a disaster recovery or HIPAA audit. Thank you very much and see you next time.